Hello, good morning. I just want to remind you today that don't become the victim of your own life. Alam ko minsan na life is unfair talaga. May mga taong nanakit sa'yo, na may mga challenges na parang walang katapusan. Pero kung lagi mong tatandaan, kung mag-stay ka dun sa victim mindset, hindi ka makaka-move forward. May kapangyarihan ka the power to choose how you respond in life. The power to rewrite your story, the power na bumangon ulit kahit paulit-ulit kang nadapa. Kaya ngayon huwag kang mag-antay na may magligtas sa'yo. Ikaw ang bida sa kwento mo. Don't become the victim of your life. Embrace your power, live it, own it. So ayun lang, stay hopeful and stay grounded. Bye-bye.